Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Legacy HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in mylegacyhr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Legacy HR. Now, from the homepage, click on Employee Login at the top right corner and then click on the Employee Portal option. You will now be taken into the login portal for employees for Legacy HR. Now, within the username section, type in the username that you have set while creating your account, and then underneath, type in your account password within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Legacy HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on Forgot Username or the Forgot Password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Legacy HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.